I'm quite distracted by plants all the time. It's as though a garden has got in my head. If I'm on the motorway, I'm looking at the verges. If I'm in a city, I'm constantly looking at trees. I'm really interested in what's growing, where it's growing, why, predominantly why it's growing there. I feel like it's really easy to feel like we're not part of nature, but I feel like I am. Being outside and feeling it feed my creativity, it sort of becomes an extended part of myself. I'm really inspired by finding playful ways of making environments that people can experience that they might not be expecting. While I've been here, I've been experimenting with some of the native plant species that are growing here in abundance, using some of the goldenrod to make teas that can then develop photographic film. And while I've been doing that, looking at some of the medicinal qualities that goldenrod has, some of its ancient uses. The play of light in any place, and especially here at Fallingwater, brings this unique animation and activation of the space that is different every time you see it. Every day, different times of the day, different lights. My phone is just full of photographs of shadow and this dancing light. I really feel like Frank Lloyd Wright shared that affinity. And so many of his buildings have this blank canvas where that happens frequently. It's just beautiful. I'm aware that I maybe have a slightly different relationship with nature to some people. The little details or little kind of moments of beauty are quite often overlooked, and I really feel that if we observe those things and treasure those things, then we're more inclined to protect them.